I wanted to announce our final set of winners in the App Innovation Awards program. And to help me do that, I would like to invite back on stage Yogesh to come help me. Yogesh, where are you? Come on up. All right, Yogesh.
What a morning.
What a morning. All right, so what did you think of yesterday's winners?
Oh, amazing work, right? Amazing winners, amazing work going on, not just among the winners, but across the board. All of you do phenomenal things with Progress products. It's just impressive. Partners, customers, just delightful, heartwarming.
Yeah, no, I mean, I couldn't agree more. I've loved seeing all of these stories on stage and in the track sessions this week so far. Yesterday we announced the winners in 3 of our categories, and now we're going to announce the winners in the remaining 3. Again, as a reminder, winners, you do not need to come on stage. Instead, please come forward at the break for your award, or we will find you via email or otherwise. So, all right, Yogesh, take it away. Let's get started.
Yeah, so 3 categories today
Yep.
to add to the 3 from yesterday. Best Web UI, Best Healthcare App Experience, and Best Industrial/Manufacturing Solution. So again, as with yesterday's categories as well, lots of great work, lots of different nominations in each of the categories. And of course, the 4th one, fourth today, 4th overall, first today. The Best Web UI category, again, several wonderful examples and work that's going on. So tough to choose, but we chose one, and the winner in this category is FDM4.
Woo! All right. All right, FDM4. FDM4 is a provider of warehouse management, ERP, CRM, and e-commerce technology. They used Kendo UI to build a completely new responsive web UI on top of their open edge-based system to make the application accessible on any kind of device. This modern UI enables things like warehouse employees to manage their stock and orders using a compelling handheld user interface. So please join me, round of applause. FDM4, congratulations.
So in the next category, which is Best Healthcare App, again, tremendous competition there as well. I wish we were not in a position to choose. We could call everybody a winner. But we decided, OK, let's pick one. And the winner is iTether.
Great. So iTether offers really a groundbreaking platform. It's built with Progress Health Cloud. And they are transforming how patients with addiction are treated. In the US alone, this is a big problem. Over 140,000 people die from addiction every year. But the worst part of it is that there's been very little change in recovery methods in the last 40 years. So iTether is changing all that by giving healthcare providers access to the platform to deliver and measure individual treatment plans for patients. They have a HIPAA-compliant app in which patients can self-report their status. They can ask questions of their provider, and the patient and provider can actually work together collaborate on customized treatment plans. iTether truly is delivering quality of life improvements for patients and better patient outcomes. Congratulations, iTether.
And the final category, Best Industrial or Manufacturing Solution. Given the fact that our largest partners and the largest component of Progress Partners revenue comes from industrial and manufacturing solutions, we have way more choices here than one can imagine. And many of them got proposed. And the winner this year is one of our partners, QAD.
All right, congratulations, QAD. QAD offers a leading manufacturing ERP solution. Their app is built on OpenEdge and Kendo UI, and it provides functionality and extensibility without complexity. So QAD is embracing Industry 4.0 by building out advanced technologies like machine learning and data lakes, and they actually plan to work with Data RPM to bring predictive maintenance capabilities to market. Congratulations, QAD.
Well, congratulations to all our winners. And as I say, I'm actually delighted that every one of you is doing wonderful work with our products. And thank you for that.
Thank you, Yogesh.